guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the ADIDAS OZRAHs. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes. Helps us with our algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try to our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank you guys for subscribing, new and old. Thank you for joining us on our journey. Just thank you. Now let's get into it. So today we've got to look at the ADIDAS OZRAHs, and we got this in a US size 8. It's a UK size 7.5, and it's a it's European size 41 1/3. And we got this in the, okay, the label here isn't really that great. I've got the actual website colorway, and it's a Bliss Cloud White Mint Ton colorway. Now, this is part of Adidas's program to end plastic waste use. It's right here on the box. So it's a normal, it looks like it's a normal Adidas box, but you got the little logos here that indicates that these shoes are Adidas's efforts to end plastic waste, and you got their little mission statement here. This product is made with recycled content as part of our ambition to end plastic waste. Recycled content. So the unboxing, here they are. Now, the way that Adidas have told the story of these sneakers is that they are the distant cousins. They're of the Oswego family, and right off the back you can tell by this aesthetic it is similar to the Adidas Oswego. But before we get into that whole nitty-gritty, those details that you want to see, we'll start with the outsole. Now this outsole is an all-rubber outsole in this, what I'm assuming is the mint part of the colorway, and it is in this blue-green. Here you got lots of traction patterning, Adidas logo in the middle, and you look at the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is made out of Adidas's ADIDAS logo. You can see it here, and it surrounds the whole sneaker, but just shrouding itself in the ADIDAS technology is this. Well, it looks like it's a glow-in-the-dark rubber. I'm not gonna lie. Before filming, I tried to see if it was glow in the dark. It isn't. We turned off the lights. They're not glow in the dark. It's a shame. They could have capitalized on that, really. But I guess that would make using more materials. So I guess in an effort to end plastic waste, I guess they're doing the right thing. So ADIDAS technology is Adidas's cushioning technology. It's made out of an elastic material that responds to the cushioning needs of the underside of your foot. Essentially, it's just like all foams. It's just there. They all wrap in some really cool name, but it's exclusive to Adidas, so hence why the name they got ADIDAS. So to me, it's all the same. It's all foam at the end of the day. Moving along onto this upper unit. So the whole upper, according to Adidas, is made out of recycled materials. I don't want to get into the percentages because it really puzzled me. Didn't make sense. But a small percentage of this sneaker is made out of recycled materials. Now, as we look into this upper, like, honestly guys, I think that this could have been a Yeezy. This reminds me of the Adidas Quantum Yeezy. That is the basketball shoe. It looks like a low-cut version, and it's giving me the vibes. It's like, as I mentioned, this is the distant cousin. I mean, it's from the Oswego family. The Oswego itself looks like a Wave Runner. And this sneaker, honestly guys, the sneaker looks like something that was birthed from Yeezy's mind. It's got a whole colorway about it. A lot of the Yeezy collection uses these natural tones, and you can see it here in this cloud white. But I'm just talking about Yeezy too much. Give a helping hand to the guys at Adidas who have triumphed over the Adidas Yeezy collection and just sought inspiration from that, which you can see on these lines here. Now, along the whole upper is this TPU plastic that shrouds itself underneath these synthetic materials. Look at the toe box area. These aren't suede or leathers. It is leather, if that makes any sense. Well, it's synthetic leather at the end of the day. The heel as well. You can see it's there, surrounded in that synthetic material. The tongue, nicely cushioned, and you've got the Ozrah logo here. It's like jeweled on, kind of embedded onto the tongue. The tongue is nicely foamed, very cushiony. And the lacing units is the quick lace system here. Just going back to the heel, didn't mention, you got the big little plastic material that shrouds the adidas, and just above it you've got this nice pull tab with the Adidas logo here. The inner of the sneaker is very nicely cushioned. It's a sock liner at the end of the day, easy to slip on and take your feet out. And you got the Adidas Originals logo inside there. Now, I've compared this to a Yeezy. Again, it reminds me of the Harden Volume 5. I believe it's the 5. That reminds me of the whole Yeezy vibes, I guess. But the whole sneaker, what Adidas have done here is really great, that they're trying to end plastic waste and using this new silhouettes, these silhouettes that look really, really on trend. I believe it's quite easy to wear. I'd wear like a earth tones, I'd wear your off-white colors tracksuit, not off-white, you know what I mean, the collar bone and white. I'd wear that. I think it will go well. You can even wear black tracksuits with these. These go so well. Very versatile. Again, you know what, I'm gonna say this as well. Adidas might have got some inspiration for the Air Max 97s, because from the distance, this looks like an Air Max 97. But, you know, maybe I'm just looking into things far too much, and we just see a lot of sneakers here at Oneupreviewz, so it just blends into one. This is really unique, even though I've said that it looks like a Yeezy now, and I've said it looks like the Air Max 97s. But at the end of the day, it's telling its own story, and I'm here for it. Let's try these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Adidas fit. Unfortunately, I was only able to get this in a size UK size 7.5. When it comes to Adidas, I'm a size UK 8. So my toes, they are at the top here. Very tight. It's quite tight on the top of my feet as well. Just where the laces are, where the tongue is. But apart from that, I think these look really fly. Don't you guys think? Let us know if you agree with me. Comment below. And yeah, we'll give you the little 360 now. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.